To review all the motion events on your ProVue and VR, click on the icon in the lower left-hand corner and select Search. You'll need to log into the unit before we can search for those. Once you're on the search screen, you want to click the option across the top that says Events. This will bring up a list of thumbnails for all the motion events that this camera's seen, as well as what time frame when the motion started and when the motion ended. You've got some options across the bottom for how you browse for these. You could do thumbnails, or you can just do a list. To play a file from this list, you just double click on it and it'll play the motion event. On the icons on the bottom, on the left hand side, there's an option for return, which will take you back to the list. So to back any of these files up, put a check mark next to the ones that you'd like. At the bottom it'll show how many are selected and what their total size is. And then hit the floppy disk icon to back those up to the hard drive. Select MP4 and hit save, and it will back those files up to the USB thumb drive that's plugged in.